Hey, what's eating you up? Why are you crying?
This is my family.
Alright. And does this make you cry?
Yes, I miss them. It has been a while, and my husband has not visited me.
Okay.
Maybe he forgot about me. Yet, I love him so much.
Love? Do people still cry for love? How is this even possible? Love only disorganizes someone's life. I'm here because of love. Are you sure? Yes. Now, how? Alright. It all started at my best friend's birthday party, who also happens to be my brother's girlfriend. And
yes, as I was saying, the first mistake that we did was not to introduce the birthday girl, our Julie, okay? I'm sure everyone here is a friend. Am I lying? No. No. Okay. Maybe, Juliet, I want to ask you one question, and I want the answer to go publicly to everyone. How many guys have you dated ever since?
Of course, one.
Be serious.
Are you sure?
That's so good. Yes, it is only one. Anyway, so the next program that we're going into is our joke box. Yes. 2 rules of engagement. 1, if you pick the paper, read whatever that is there, then you do the action. Right?
Yeah.
Good. And if you fail to do the action that is on that paper, then you pay fine. Okay. And as for now, I don't know how much that you're going to pay. I've not yet determined the sum that you're going to pay if you fail. Okay? All right. Where should I start from? Okay, let me start from here. Yes. Okay. DJ, you're going to give me the sound as we are moving our job books. Give me the sound. Let's go. Let's do it. Yes. Hey. Oh, stop. Of course, I'll read it for you. Don't mind, don't worry. I'll read it for you. Thank you, Vicky. Oh my God. Guess what? Give us a break dance. Yes, let's go. Yeah, DJ, give me that sound. DJ, give me the sound. Oh my God. That is really very interesting. Okay, DJ, give me the sound. Let's go. Stop. Yes, Michelle. Pick a paper. Yes. I'll read it for you. Don't mind, Michelle. Please. Pass it over. Please. Pass it over. Yes. All right. Read it.
It's okay. You may be afraid of reading it. Let me help you. My good, wonderful. Yay. Gracious, you want our joke to stop here? Come on, guys. Guys, you really want to know what is here? You want to know? It's okay. Please Kiss the MC. Wonderful, wonderful. Yo. Michelle. Kiss him. Kiss him. What? Kiss him. 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 Yeah. Wow. Yes. Yeah. Wow. Yes. She has done it. Very nice and good. Okay. It's okay. Jackie. Michelle, you can sit. It's okay.
Jackie.
What?
Please, what is it?
Gracious. In my presence.
I had nothing to do.
Oh.
Yes.
Okay, fine. You would have paid the fine.
I'm sorry. I didn't think about it. Besides, that was the rule of engagement. Please. I'm so sorry about that. Just forgive me. Okay?
Send the box and stop. Wow. As usual. Take the paper and you bring it here. Yes. Now bring it and I read.
Gracious,
Wow. A nice small.
What is it?
you're kissing Jackie?
Is that news? In fact, Michelle, I think it's high time I tell you this on your face. I mean, I've done all sorts of things for you to understand that sure I'm no longer interested in you. But it seems you have porridge in your head, not brains. I don't love you anymore. Please, give me peace. Okay? Thank you.
There is a time that we fell in love, and it's all the time that you held my hand.
Yeah, wonderful. Thank you so much.
Michelle! Michelle!
Guys. Miss Juliet, calm down. Please, cool down. I think everything will be sorted out, okay? Yeah. Okay. Let's continue with the party.
I never knew that would fall apart. Wanding'ambe nesikwesiganya. Wanding'ambe umutima gwange nengwesigaliza.
Michelle, open the door. Can I go back to the door of that problem?
No, Martin.
Please open.
Umutima gwange nengwesigaliza.
What is it? Please, tell me, what is it?
First tell me, brother, do I really deserve this?
Oh, Michelle, deserve what? You're making me nervous. Please, be point blank and tell me, what will happen?
I just found Gracious and Jack at zero distance, and instead of him apologizing to me, he said that I'm so stupid. He has tried to tell me this for a long time, but I couldn't interpret his actions.
What? Anyway, okay, calm down. Okay.
Gracious!
I want to draw the last warning clear to you. Never go back to my sister again. Okay? And you better watch your moves. Otherwise, ujja kugwa mumbi.
She's a fool.
I know.
Are you fine?
No, I'm not.
Why?
You know, I'm greatly depressed, yet I have to revise for the forthcoming exams.
What's the cause of the depression? Can we have a walk in the evening to erase the depression?
Come on, Ramon. I'll be fine.
Yes, but I want to go down in your records as someone who contributed something towards your happiness. Can we please go to the university bar and wash away the depression with a bottle or two?
You know I don't drink.
Yes, but you take wine.
Just one glass.
Yes, just wine. Yes, my dear, it's a dear.
All right. See you in the evening.
Okay, see you.
So, how do you feel it? Okay, let's go. Yeah. Okay. Hope you've enjoyed it.
Yeah, I did.
I really appreciate every moment that we have together. Wow. Yeah. It's very cool.
Anyways, you're welcome, but I'm ready to give you time whenever and wherever. But it seems you're still undecided.
How?
It seems you're still disturbed by this hopelessness of Michelle.
Oh, come on. You're still thinking about Michelle?
Yeah.
Oh my God. Michelle got deleted completely out of my life. Not even in the recycling.
Wow, that sounds good.
Isaac. Let's do it now.
There is a time that we fell in love, and it's all the time that you held my hand. There is a time that we fell in love, and it's all the time that you held my hand.
No, please. Ramon, thank you. Thank you so much. I've loved this.
You're so different, so beautiful, and very kind, Michelle.
Stop it now, Will. You make me fail to resist love temptations.
Love?
Sorry. Are you falling in love?
With who?
With this one, of course.
Only the wine. I'm not your drinking partner.
You know, I had decided to close all my love senses due to the past unfaithfulness of my ex-boyfriend, who also happens to be my first love.
Sorry, dear. I hereby apply to replace that quirk and give you a new and happy love life.
All right, I'll think about it.
Please.
I'll think about it.
Yes, please.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. How are you?
Sir, I wanted some help from you.
What type of help?
I'm not performing well of late.
But we've given you all we are supposed to give you because we've taught you. There is a provision of the school library, and I would advise you maybe to join group discussions.
Yeah, but I think I need some extra coaching.
Extra coaching, you said?
Yes.
But I'm a bit expensive. Do you have the financial capacity to pay for my extra time?
I do.
Oh, okay. If you do, then we can do it in one of the lecture theaters or at my office.
Yeah, it's not a bad idea. But I think we should do it in more of a private place.
Private? Why and where?
Maybe at your house?
My house could be conducive, but that would mean some extra costs because I will charge you for my extra time and for the venue.
Sir, as I said, I really need this, and I'm willing to do anything, however and wherever.
Then fix a date.
Excuse me?
We fix a date.
Today or tomorrow?
Today, sorry. I'm fully fixed today. Maybe tomorrow.
In the morning, because I've got lectures in the evening.
Anytime.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Welcome.
Have a good day.
Likewise.
God, Michelle on top?
Why not? She's clever. Where am I? Oh, right here. What of me? That's not bad anyway, at least. Yeah, at least. Where are you? I'm here. Yeah, you tried, not bad. Yeah. Where is Michelle? Michelle.
Wow.
She did it, eh?
Yeah.
Again. Anyways, I'm not shocked.
Yes, please.
Hey, girl.
Hey, ladies. Hey.
How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
By the way, saw your results.
And?
You did it. Thanks.
Thank you.
Anyways, let me ask. How was that possible?
Nothing so serious. It was so simple. I just had to do away with the gracious stress.
That was great.
Yeah.
You know those promiscuous guys always eat up your brain and you end up becoming dense.
Yeah, that's very true. By the way, guys, there is an English saying, it's better for one to learn from his or her mistakes.
Yeah.
But I think it's far better to learn from another person's mistakes. And for that matter, I will not let myself be infected with the gracious syndrome.
True.
And I hope all girls out there do the same.
I hope so too.
Yeah.
You know, ladies, let's just go and get ready for the discussion.
Okay.
But guys, how can that snake perform that well?
Why not? Michelle has a clean brain.
Go to her. Tekisoka naawe. We mwana ate okubanga ayagala lecturer.
Wama talk about it. Ateekeddwa okubeera.
But guys, why don't we accept defeat? For real, Michelle had sins. The only thing is, let's read other for the next semester.
Oli mutuufu. Tulina okukola ennyo. Nene bala lecturer babeereko fair. Batandika okugaba marks without head or favor.
Anyways, guys, me, I won't bother myself. Fine, I may be with a weak brain, but God gave me a cute face and a beautiful body.
True.
So I goes to Kandi Birungi.
So, Jackie, that marks the end of today's special lecture. But I was wondering, how long is this program going to take? What?
Nothing. Just come. Come on.
Where are you taking me?
To the bank. I won't pay for your precious time.
But you can always pay me from here.
I know. Come on.
Jackie?
Yeah.
I said the lecture was over.
Shh.
Come on.
What?
The lecture is over.
I know. And I'm just going to pay you.
We need tools that act as a helping hand. And in this particular situation, we will call them agents. I'm sure by now, most of you have done research and you're well conversant with what you're studying. Which is why I pose a question. What are the agents of socialization? Sandra? Sandra? Your submission?
I'm sorry, madam. I was absent-minded.
And why is that?
I'm sick.
Sick. Does this look like an infirmary or hospital? Go out and get treatment, because this is not a sick bay. And make that quick. Yes, back to our question. Yes, Jackie.
Television, quality, and responsiveness.
I wish all the time you use in makeup and carrying that empty thing you call a head would be used for something more productive. That is absolutely dumb, stupid, and wrong. Can I get any other submissions? Yes, Michelle.
As far as I can remember, it was peers, media, family, church and religion.
Now that's what I call research. You people should get serious with what you're studying. You should learn how to take care of yourselves and study, because that is why you're here. Your class representative will come for your coursework marks and a piece of another exercise. I think that will be all for today. Have a good day.
Thank you. I'm Team Jackie.
Come to your coursework.
Oh, you should. Are you serious? Now, Michelle.
Oh, what means you see?
Hi.
Michelle, write Sandra is the word.
Sandra. But I don't think she did it on purpose. Yeah, probably she has a genuine reason for it.
Anyway.
I've been meaning to ask you this. Why are you so different from your friends?
Michelle. You know we all come from different families and upbringings. And I know the reason as to why I'm here. Just know, I'm even tired of their growth.
You're tired of their growth?
I'm very serious. I'm tired of their growth.
You know, You're so done.
Come on.
You're totally finished.
I'm not that easily straightened.
Seriously? Okay. Where are you going downstairs? Right.
It seems Fiona is looking for a war.
True. Let us first watch her keenly. But Jackie, I'm also surprised. Why did you have to bait the lecturer?
I remember telling you that I can do anything to make sure that I defeat that beast Michelle, so that I gain an upper hand in everything.
What? You wanted to get higher marks than Michelle?
You got it right.
Jackie, do you know what you're putting yourself into? Why not the higher marks first and then you pay later? And how sure are you that Mr. Lecturer will pay the debt?
Come on, girlfriend. It's communicative. Though that doesn't matter. Either marks or sex can come first or last.
Anyway, I just hope it goes on well.
It will.
Hope you won't be disappointed.
No, wait, that.
Jackie, I'm sorry.
Tell me, who do you think you are?
Please, Jackie, forgive me.
What the hell were you doing with that beast, Michelle? You know what? I think it's better you leave my group and go join them.
Jackie, please. Calm down. And you. Ketuna damo kusangane Michelle, I swear you won't like it.
Let's go to the notes board. Next time, sorry won't work. Oh my God, I did it. I told you that this lecture is so generous. And you were noting me. You're talking about that day. And she appears. Oh, what's funny? Oh, please. No, you should enjoy yourself. You down here. Come, you did your best. Because I don't think that you even deserve this position. You deserve to be the last. Come.
You're not Jackie. You never cease to amuse me. Because as far as I'm concerned, I would rather be in second class lower than being in first class when you played a part together with the lecturers to be in that position. And besides, who at campus doesn't know that you didn't use your brain power but your thigh power to be in that position? Come to think of it, I wonder what Gracious is going to do after hearing about this.
Yeah, hey, shut up and read my lips clearly. If Gracious gets to know about this, I'll deal with you personally.
Juliet, don't you think she might be right? I mean, I've never performed like this before. This is not me. What's happening to me? What am I going to tell my parents?
Michelle, please.
Don't try to comfort me because this is not me and you know this very well. What am I going to do? Please tell me.
Sorry. Please, we're going to that as easy as it is. Just imagine that. Loser. Loser.
Hope you are doing something. Today I'm not here to give lectures, but to prepare you for the next exam. And to put a note on those that have been dodging my lectures and coursework. And Jackie, you have to explain to that why you've been dodging the lectures and my coursework. I want to give you the coursework, and that will be the last. But you're all aware that I've handled a number of issues in gender, and it's the last one in this semester. And these are the questions. Question 1, you'll give me the difference between gender roles, and gender responsibilities. You're not writing.
Their brains are sharp.
Your brains are sharp. Jackie, are you writing down the question?
Yeah.
And you said, are you WhatsApping?
No, I'm using my phone.
Good. Question 2. What is the role of gender on community development? What is the role of gender? What is the role of gender on community development? As you're all aware that gender is about being male and female, and that's what we want to have. So the coursework, 7 days, 1 week. Okay, last day. And I want that coursework in 1 week.
So I question. Typed and written.
The usual suspect has asked. Typed.
Another question. Have you said individually or group coursework?
I remember you telling me that your brains are sharp. Individual. Typed. The exam's underway. So, you know what happens when you dodge my coursework?
Michelle,
Yes, please.
there is a lot of human traffic at the canteen. I beg that I buy you something.
No thanks.
Please, only today.
I said no.
Michelle? Michelle? Michelle, I'm sorry for disturbing you, but please, we need to talk.
Talk about what?
Michelle, please, let us talk.
I have no time to talk about nothing.
Michelle, you know I can't be without you. Michelle.
Stop rapping my name and get out of my face.
Michelle, I miss you. I really do miss you.
You miss me?
Yeah.
Gracious. You left me for Jackie. What has she lost that I have now?
Michelle, please forgive me. Michelle, please. I couldn't have done this stupid thing. I wouldn't have done this. Please, forgive me.
What are you doing?
Michelle, I'm sorry. Michelle, please, forgive me.
Please, it's okay. Stand up. I've forgiven you.
You've forgiven me?
Yes.
You... Oh my God. Michelle, thank you. I'm so sorry, Michelle. I missed you. Michelle, I miss you. Oh my God.
You really have to.
Precious.
Please, please don't. Please. Gracious. Please.
You idiot! Never, ever get close to my sister again. Or else you receive a heavyweight blow that will knock you out of this leg game. You heard that?
Martin.
Shut up!
Let me be with Gracious. He has apologized. He loves me and he has even changed. Please calm down.
Okay, Michelle. If that's what you've decided, and you can't even remember the situation you went through, I rest my case.
Michelle, I got your milk and a cake.
I thought I told you I didn't want anything.
Yes, but please, take it.
It seems you have a problem with your mind.
What's going on?
Please, take it for today. For today.
Okay. Only for today. I said I didn't want anything. Stupid.
We're going to chapter number
9.
Okay.
I'm reading this. Read the next.
It's better you read and I listen.
But I always read for you.
Okay. Anyway, reading this, I'll also read.
Deal.
Okay.
Next morning, Billy went to.
Guys, you saw how Michelle acted towards me. For that matter, therefore, I should concentrate on my studies and leave Michelle's stuffs.
Oh.
But the truth is, I swear, I'm not going to rest until Gracious leaves my sister. Ramon, I give you my word.
Never write Michelle tajukira bannange.
Abawala bwe mutyo temuli bangu.
Ramon.
Babe, I'm just so disappointed.
Oh Lord. I'm much please. Don't you know how much I love you?
Of course I do.
Do I have to remind you that I love you so much?
No.
I love you so much.
I wish I listened to my brother's advice. Maybe I wouldn't be here. But I think you are right after all. No, I don't think I was.
Michelle, finish up.
You know this eyebrow is very hard to finish up with, but I'm almost done.
Hi, Sandra.
Hi, dear.
Oh, hi, sweetheart. You're welcome. Why that look?
Michelle, after going back to Gracious, what did you expect? Wanted me to throw you a party or what?
Actually, it would be very beautiful if you threw me a party. Juliet, sink it into your head that I love Gracious and he loves me
He
too.
doesn't. Put this in your head as well. History repeats itself and habits die hard. Mama, wake up.
Grace has changed.
Everyone can change at campus, but not Gracious.
All right. Talking about change, you can't believe what just happened at campus today.
What?
Hey, as proud as he is, he knelt down at campus for every student to see him apologizing to me.
It was so beautiful.
And dramatic. Michelle, use your brains for once. Gracious will never love you and he has never loved you. Mama, wake up.
If Michelle is happy, we have to be happy for her. She's happy. Let her be. And besides, she's in love. Can't you see that?
And what do you know about love, silly woman? What?
card?
Mama tata bamugana alwakubaye wawe tebali na nsembe lwaki ensembe zetumeza majembe omukwano tekugula nsembe bajajjaffe okuva edda nedda balyanga muwogo natulaye. She come from downtown, I come from uptown. She come from downtown, Manamola. She come from downtown, I come from uptown. She come from downtown, Manamola. She come from downtown, I come from uptown. Wow, she's a pretty nice, caring, wailing, everything golden. She might step up. Make her you know the red, make her you know the best. Make her you know the red, make her you know the best. Oh, Alina will come kalonye. You know molonye. Come twale come twale afumbe. Ave come yombe. Bambi mulwane. Ono mututenze. Yamanye byange. Yamanye byange. Yamanye byange. Come from downtown.
I think there is something I can do.
Who is there?
Hello.
Hello.
Is Michelle in?
Yeah.
Can I talk to her?
Okay. Squishes.
Just let him in.
Okay, come in.
Thank you. Hey, baby.
I'm fine.
Sure. Yes. Very good.
Yes.
Oh, that's great.
Michelle.
Yes, please.
I think it's time. Let me go.
Ready then?
Yeah.
Right. Have a seat.
Thank you. Yeah, I've brought you this.
Wow, thank you so much.
It's my pleasure.
It's beautiful.
Thank you. How books?
We are faring. We've just been revising for exams.
Yeah. Okay, that's great. Have you heard about Isaac?
Sandra, you called me?
Yeah. I'm sorry about the way Michelle treated you last time.
It's fine, Munangi. I tried my best, but I failed. Maybe we're not meant to be together.
True. But stop being sad all the time. Because life has to move on. Ramon, I plead to always be there for you. I love you.
What have you just said?
I'm not shy of repeating it, because I mean it. Ramon, I truly love your ways.
But initially you said that you loved me, which is not bad anyway. I promise to love you too, but I have just to develop that love.
Thank you so much. I love you and I promise not to hurt you.
Two, yes. 3, 4, yes. 5, 6, yes. 7, 8, good. 9, Okay, in front now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Oh man.
You know, honey, I think it's getting late. And tomorrow I have a test. You know that. So I should be on my way by now.
You know, whenever you mention that, I feel so bad. I'm really tired of you moving in and out all the time. Why don't you just move in? Please, accept my decision.
Wow, are you serious?
Yes, I'm serious. I mean, with the movements that you take all the time, you're not secure. Please.
But the problem is Martin.
What if I talk to him?
No, honey. I can always talk to him.
Okay.
And once he accepts, even tomorrow I'll be here.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Okay.
No.
I'll just be waiting. Trust me.
Seriously.
Do all that it takes.
Girls.
What?
I'm so happy today because Gracious has finally made up his mind and he wants me to move in with him.
Wow, that is so great.
I know.
I beg your pardon?
Gracious has...
Shut up. Michelle, make sure that you don't disappoint me and your brother Martin as well.
Well, it's good you've talked about Martin. Please try to convince Martin so that he can understand that I really love Gracious. And he loves me too. Guys, I really need your support.
Frankly speaking, I'm not going to. I'm not going to convince Martin. Michelle, why? What makes you move in with Gracious? Are you the one who pays this hostel?
But Juliet,
what now?
Put yourself in her shoes. What if it was Martin asking you to move in? Wouldn't you do that?
Please, you can't compare Martin to that crab. Huh?
All right, let's put it this way. The way you love Martin is the way I love Gracious. Is that too hard for you to understand?
You know what? If at all you can't control your insatiable love appetite, then just eat whatever is served.
Juliet!
Shut up!
But just let her be. I got your back.
Thank you.
How do you bump into my house without appointment?
What?
What do you want from me?
Gracious, how can you ask me such a silly question when I called you and you refused to pick my calls?
Jackie, don't dare you test my patience. Okay? And for your own information, I don't need you anymore.
Gracious, I love you so much. And you're the only guy I want to give my heart, soul, and body.
Gracious, I love you so much. And the only guy I want to give my heart, body, and soul. Mistress, I cannot handle 2 hearts and 2 bodies at the same time. I'm already in charge of Michelle's heart and body.
What?
You heard me right. Because I was loud and clear.
Honey, please. Please don't do this.
Shut up! And carry your stinking body out of my house. And now, please help yourself.
Okay. You know what, Gracious? You're such a good actor. But let's see in this movie who will take the award.
I don't care. Lock it behind you.
Gracious, why do you have to do this to me? How am I going to look at the whole campus? Like, am I not going to be ashamed to the mirror? Do I really stink?
A deep cut inside of me. This is a dilemma of love. This is a deep cut inside of me. This is a dilemma of love.
Please open this door. Jackie, what is it? Why are you crying?
Jackie, what's going on?
Jackie, please calm down and tell us what happened.
Can you please shut up for a moment?
But we just can't shut up when you're in such a situation.
Please. Jackie, talk to us.
Darling, I'm right here for you. Please talk to us.
It's precious.
What about him?
He just broke up with me.
What? Why? Michelle?
Yeah, that bitch.
Unbelievable.
Do you know what, guys? Let's go for her. Jackie, let's go and crush her face.
Wait, girls. I think we should sit and plan properly. Please, come on, sweetheart. Calm down. It's okay.
Michelle, what are you doing here?
But, and what are you doing here in the
Are you stupid? You ask me what I'm doing here? Haven't you had my question?
Try to understand that I love Gracious, and he loves me too.
Yes, I do.
In a count of 4, pick your bag, move out and go back to the hostel. I've said out. Or else, I call Dad. 1, 2.
That girl has got so love, Kandi.
I know, but what makes me wonder is, she can't recall what Gracious did to her.
But Juliet, that's how love feelings are. Because someone can throw trash on you, and you think they are flowers. Don't you know the saying that goes, love is blind?
Oh,
Yeah. Sandra.
Guys, but I'm also not a guardian of evil deeds.
But you're stronger than her.
It's okay.
But it has to be perfectly clean.
Trust me, I'll do it.
You will?
Trust me.
Michelle, what is it? What has Gracious done again?
It's not Gracious. It's Martin.
What has he done?
You know, Membo, Martin has totally failed to understand that I love Gracious and he loves me too. You can't believe what he has just done. He bumped into us, to Gracious's apartment, and he embarrassed me.
But are you okay with your decision?
Yes, I am. I love Gracious.
Michelle, you have to sit down and think about what you have decided.
There is nothing to think about.
You still have a chance. Because even me, I don't think that Gracious deserves your love.
But I love him.
Eh? Then stop crying.
Hello? Hello. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Have you been sent by Jackie?
Of course no. I'm just here on my own mission.
You're on mission.
Yeah.
What mission?
Gracious. When I first saw you, it was love at the first sight. You're cute, handsome, financially loaded, and smart. Look, my love. I've been waiting for this time when you break up. And it finally came.
Oh my God. Letitia.
Yeah.
You're a very beautiful girl. You're already smart. You're tall enough.
Okay.
You're nice. And I'm sure every boy around campus would yearn to own you. But unfortunately, by the time you came, I'm already back with Michelle.
Jackie already told me that.
Oh, she did?
Yeah, but
Okay.
I just want to hear it straight from you.
Okay. Let me think about it.
Oh.
Michelle, it doesn't look the way it seems. I mean, it doesn't seem the way it looks.
Precious, tell me it's not true.
Of course it's not.
That you love only me.
You're right. She's just a casual friend.
What? Just a casual friend?
Yes, you are.
Oh, please. Don't sacrifice me because of this chick jack material.
Michelle.
Michelle.
Wandingambye omutima gwange nengwesigaliza wandingambye nesigwesiganyo wandingambye omutima gwange nengwesigaliza. 'Cause to me this is a deep cut inside of me. This is a dilemma of love. This is a deep cut inside of me. This is a dilemma of love.
I'm not a pick and play material.
Get out and never come back here. Get out. I said get out.
What else?
There is a time that we fell in love, and it's all the time that you held my hand. There is a time that we fell in love, and it's all the time that you held my hand, and I brought you in deeper inside my heart. I never knew that would fall apart. Wandingambye nesikwesiganyo, wandingambye omutima gwange nengwesigaliza, wandingambye nesikwesiganyo, wandingambye omutima gwange nengwesigaliza.
Hello? What? Jackie? Oh, shit. Oh, my God. I'm screwed up. No. Michelle.
Gracious, why?
Michelle, I'm sorry. I didn't intend to hurt you. Michelle, please. I'm sorry, really. Just forgive me. Michelle. Michelle, you're holding a knife.
Let me put an end to you, so that I can save myself and save others.
Please. Michelle, you need to calm down. You're making a total mistake. Don't do this. Michelle, please.
Don't come close to me, you imbecile.
Okay. Michelle, please, calm down. Relax. Michelle, you... Michelle... Michelle... Michelle...
Gracious.
I love you, Michelle.
I love you too, don't leave me. Stay with me. I love you too, don't leave me, Gracious. Gracious. Please stay with me.
Michelle! 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 Michelle, please!
Don't come close to me!
Michelle, please don't! Michelle, please don't! Michelle! Call the police! I said call the police! Michelle, what have you done?
I regret deeply, because as we speak right now, my peers, my friends must have graduated by now, and I'm stuck in here. And besides, I lost everything. I lost my studies, and I earned myself a curse of being a murderer. And worst of all, I was a well-raised daughter. But I disappointed my parents gravely.
Oh, sorry.
I just wish I had a chance. I would advise students out there to stay focused on their studies, because all these other things can be got afterwards.
True. It will be a lesson to all students out there to stay focused on their studies.
There is a time that we fell in love, and it's all the time that you held my hand. is a time that we fell in love, and it's all the time that you held my hand, and I brought you in deeper inside my heart. I never knew that would fall apart. Waningange nesikwesiganyo, waningange umutima gwange nengwesikaliza, waningange nesikwesiganyo, waningange umutima gwange nengwesikaliza. 'Cause to me this is